Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get circle ears in Berry Avenue. First, locate the blue arrow on the side of your screen and click it to reveal the icons. Then, select the avatar option to enter the customization editor. Once inside, find and click on the menu icon, which typically looks like 3 horizontal lines, to open further options. Next, from the menu, select the Equipped option. This will allow you to manage your character's accessories. Then, click on Import ID, where you can enter a unique code for the ears. For example, you can use the code 84964042221 to equip a popular set of ears. Remember to click Add after entering the code. If you prefer to browse, you can also find ears by navigating to the clothing section. Once there, ensure you have all selected to view the full catalog. Use the search bar to look for ears or stick-out ears. This method often reveals many different styles and colors that you can choose from to personalize your avatar. After equipping your chosen ears, it is important to match their skin tone to your avatars. Go to the body section and find the color wheel. Drag the circle on the color wheel to select a color close to your skin. Then, use the slider to adjust the lightness or darkness for a seamless blend, ensuring your new ears look natural.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.